Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to watch local channels on your YouTube TV. So you might be facing this issue that you are not able to see your local channels, and that can be due to your region problem. And if you're not in the same region, like your TV region is, or like YouTube TV region is different, so you might not be able to see those local channels. So how you can watch it. So here are this is the official guide of support.google and YouTube TV. As you can see, YouTube TV outside of your home area. So here is the step-by-step guide, and let's go through it. On Android, change your home area, open the YouTube app, and once you're in the YouTube TV app, select your profile photo and go to locations and home area, and from there select update home area. And once you update the home area, so you will be able to see those channels. And here is an important note: you cannot change your home area if you already have your home area twice in the last 12 months and you aren't currently located in your new phone area. So this is an important note, and here is also the complete step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So as you can see, verify your current on mobile device. So just go to this process, and let's say you are on an iPhone, so you will follow this process. As you can see, log into your TV, go to profile, home area, and select update next to home area and change it. And if you're on computers, you can follow this process. As you can see, locations and update, and you will be able to update your home address, and after that you will be able to see all those local channels on your YouTube TV. So that is a complete and easy guys on how you can do it.